In a small garden, a new day begins. Sunlight filters gently through the leaves, and dewdrops shimmer like tiny crystals on the petals of flowers. Somewhere in a quiet corner, if you stop, stay still, and look a little closer, you'll discover a tiny world quietly moving. The world of spiders. Spiders, strange eight-legged creatures often feared by humans, actually live a truly fascinating life. Beneath their eerie appearance lies a story of survival, patience, and astonishing skill. They are nature's silent architects, without any tools or blueprints. Using only silk spun from their own bodies, spiders weave webs that are both as delicate as morning mist and as strong as steel. Each web is a miniature wonder. No two are ever the same. Spiders are silent hunters. They don't chase like leopards or hunt in packs like lions. They wait, patiently, and when a fly unknowingly lands on the web, the spider strikes with lightning speed, injecting venom and wrapping the prey in silk like a meal prepared for later. In doing so, spiders help keep the garden in balance, quiet heroes that few ever noticed at Oh, now, let's take a closer look. Open your eyes to the hidden wonders of the garden and discover the secret life of spiders. But life for a spider isn't always peaceful. Beneath that quiet existence lies a world full of danger. Predatory birds circle above, aggressive ants march in to destroy their webs, and sometimes, even other spiders pose a deadly threat. In such a confined space, competition is inevitable. When too many spiders occupy the same area, conflict becomes unavoidable. And in the world of spiders, mercy is a luxury they cannot afford. These silent skirmishes often come with a high price, and sometimes that price is life itself. Behind every delicate web lies a fierce battle for survival. Not all spiders use webs to hunt. Some prefer a different tactic, lurking in silence, like hidden assassins among the petals. You see that little fellow on the blooming flower? The golden crab spider, the tiny assassin of the garden, doesn't spin webs or chase after prey. It relies on one chillingly effective tactic: waiting. Camouflaged perfectly on flower petals that match its bright yellow body, the golden crab spider becomes nearly invisible. Bees, butterflies, and flies land to sip nectar, unaware that a silent hunter is already watching. Then, in a flash, the spider strikes. A quick bite, venom injected, and the meal is claimed. No webs, no pursuit. Just patience, precision, and perfect disguise. Nature's ambush artist at its finest. Today might not be his lucky day. We often feel scared or even creeped out when we see a spider crawling across the ground or when we accidentally walk into a web in the garden. But if you pause for just a moment and take a closer look, you'll see spiders aren't as frightening as they seem. They live quietly, work tirelessly, and play a vital role in the balance of nature. Next time you spot a delicate spider web glistening in the morning light, don't be so quick to brush it away. Instead, lean in, take a moment to watch, and listen to the silent story of these tiny residents in your peaceful green garden. Who knows? You might just discover a whole new world, strange, beautiful, and quietly thriving right beside us every day.